Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out your Facebook account from another device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log out of your Facebook account from another device than you're using, let's open up our Facebook app first. After opening your Facebook app, you will see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen, just below the messenger icon. Tap on the three-lined icon like this. And after that, after landing on this interface, you can see the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen, just beside the magnifying glass icon. Tap on the settings icon like this. And when you land on this page, you can see the password and security option, which is the second one under the category account. Tap on password and security like this, and you can see the second option where it says where you're logged in. And when we click on see all like this, you can see all of these devices I'm logged into. And if I wanted to log out of if I wanted to log out from my profile from another device, you can see I'm currently using my account on Windows PC, also near Kathmandu, Nepal. And if I wanted to log out from that device, I would have to simply tap on the three dotted icon at the just right side of the option like this. Let's tap on the three dotted icon, and after that, you can see the logout option available over here on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on logout, and your account will be logged out from your another devices which you had logged in earlier. And there guys, this is how you log out of your Facebook account from another device on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.